Hi, I'm Cheryl with U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Please be sure to check out our link below where you can buy and sell any car you like. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jerry Lockhart, Lisle, Illinois. Out here at the Midwest Street Rods Car Show, enjoying the nice weather, videoing the car. A lot of people also know me from, I've been doing the Lisle car shows for years, which our first show will be the third Saturday of June. We'll have a band playing. And I also started the Cars and Coffee in downtown Lisle, which is the first Sunday from 9 to 11:30. We had 280 cars the first time, so please come out and join us for that. This is my 70 Chevelle. I've had it about 3-4 years now. It's kind of a perfect car. It's rare in the respect that there aren't many white cars. There were just 200 something cars made. And the majority of the ones in the antique white is called Code 10, but this is unusual. It's a Code 1010. Meaning no vinyl top. The majority had a black vinyl top on it. The whole car's been redone. Completely new suspension. I do have the original Muncie 4-speed, which I love. The lights have been updated. I've actually got Bentley material leather in the seats. I did inserts. Had some interest. That was done by John at Ogden Top and Trim. And what else? We recently, last month, Black Dog Racing dropped a 572 in here. They're a really well-equipped shop up in Gurnee. They're out on the racetrack and they know cars. They know Chevys especially. So you got 17-inch wheels.
Yeah, those are nice. How's the car to drive?
Oh, a dream, absolute dream. Like any other car, you battle for a year, getting all the little things done on it, the silly little things, the overflow bottle.
Can we see the engine?
Of course. You got the piston openers, and this motor doesn't come with the dual quads. I took those off of my 502. Got lots of ponies and rare air conditioning, of course, because I live in Florida 6 months a year. So you got to have that air.
If you need anyone to babysit this car, I can.
It's got the cowbells on the exhaust, which is a nice touch in the back.
Okay. And then talk about the cubic inch, if you didn't already.
I did. It's a 572. Not sure. I'm guessing around 700 horse with the dual quads.
Nice.
It's hard to tell.
Nice. Really nice. And then
it's got electric cutouts on it. The exhaust is louder than hell.
That is cool. You know what? I don't know what's nicer. I mean, you got a great interior, great engine, great paint.
It's almost a perfect car.
Yeah, right. That is sweet. Anything in the...
Well, I'm trying to think. These are the cowbells I was talking about. That's kind of a standard thing. Sesquicentennial taillights. Those, they like the old T-Birds.
Okay.
That's unusual. We blackened the glass all the way around, but it's just a nice car. That's.
You drive it,
oh yeah, I drive it everywhere. I'm not afraid to drive this.
You can spin the tires up to what speed? What do you think?
Oh, it's not a car you would do that to be honest. It's the suspension under this car is all. I might add the underneath is just as pretty as the top. It's got all heavy-duty suspension, which you can see later.
Very nice.
Then I added another thing I added was I did the backs in the white to match up and the coil just to be a little different.
Sure, yeah. It looks also comfortable.
It is, very much so. It's a fun car to drive.
There you go. There you go. Have you gotten any awards yet with it?
No, I don't really go to that many judge shows anymore.
Okay.
I'm at the age where I go for cars and coffee and shoot the baloney with people, and I've got thousands and thousands of trophies from all my cars over the years. Yeah. I mean, I was international champion on the show circuit in the 70s and 80s, and I'm just doing it as a fun thing. I'm 81 years old and just having fun.
There you go. Good, we got it. That is.
Those are electric. I can turn them on or off. So.
Wow, that is absolutely incredible. I mean, what a perfect sound, you know?
Yeah.
That is cool. That is.
All right. Thank you. Thanks for watching, everyone.
I hope you enjoy the next video. Please subscribe.